Welcome back to our stitching corner. Today we're taking a look inside a truly special kit, Hares and Plants, designed by the wonderful textile designer Alison Gee. Everything we need for a fun and relaxing needlepoint project is right here. We have our beautifully printed canvas and our 5 bundles of wool, so soft to the touch and such a pleasure to work with. We can see the lovely earthy tones Alison chose for this piece, the warm browns of the hares, the soft cream colour for the background, and those deep calming greens for the leaves and plants. We also get our needle, naturally, a large pattern chart for easy guidance, and the handy Ehrman leaflet packed with useful tips on stitching and finishing our project. If we look at the design more closely, we might already recognize the classic aesthetic of the arts and crafts movement. Alison has a wonderful talent for taking historical archival patterns and giving them a fresh, modern twist that feels just right in today's home. She actually spent years as the head designer for Morris & Co, and that incredible heritage really shines through in the balance and beauty of this piece. Because we're working on a sturdy 10 mesh canvas, it doesn't just make a durable, high-quality cushion front, it's also incredibly beginner-friendly. It's also a great way to experience the quiet mindfulness of stitching, thanks to those larger sections of single colours where we can just relax into the rhythm of the needle. At its heart, the arts and crafts movement was all about finding joy in simple, honest hand craftsmanship. It was a celebration of slow craft, the belief that the things we decorate our homes with should be made with love, care, and intention. That philosophy is exactly why we love needlepoint. Every single stitch we put into this canvas is a quiet moment of meditation. It's a gentle way to take a quiet break from a busy day and connect with a tactile craft. You can find the link to the Hares and Plants kit in the description below, and a lot more needlepoint kits designed by true artists on our website. Subscribe for more kit reveals, and we'll see you in our next video.